Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Begin by locating the small release button on your key fob, usually on the back or side. Press this button and slide out the hidden emergency key. Now, with the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot or notch where the key was. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time and apply steady, light pressure to avoid marring the plastic or damaging any delicate internal parts. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, round CR2032 battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side, positive or negative, is facing up. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct positive or negative side is facing the same direction as the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the edges match up. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks. Now, test your key fob to confirm that all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.